In 1987, Pilz brought the first safety relay to market with our first e-stop relay. A lot has changed in the world since then, with automated systems becoming more advanced and, consequently, also more complicated. With more complex automation systems comes a need for devices capable of delivering more functionality than the humble e-stop safety relay was able to deliver back when we first brought it to market. And one of our objectives here at Pilz Canada is making everyone's lives a little bit easier wherever we can. To this end, Pilz launched the multi-safety controller in 2002 and further evolved the design a decade later when we introduced the Multi 2 in 2012. The Multi 2 is a compact and very powerful safety controller that will enable you to tackle your most complicated automated safety systems, allowing you to consolidate all of the safety devices on your machine into one convenient package. Further reducing complexity from the equation, the Pilz Multi 2 is programmed using an intuitive function block diagram programming interface. Keeping with this objective of making your life easier, Pilz Canada is excited to introduce our Multi 2 starter kit to you. Let's take a quick look at everything that's included. First and most important is the Multi 2 MB0 processor itself. This processor features 20 safe inputs, 8 of which can be reconfigured as standard outputs, 4 semiconductor safe outputs, and 4 test pulse outputs, which can also be reconfigured as standard outputs. Pilz has managed to pack all of this I/O into a controller that is a mere 45 millimeters wide, which will help you fit it easily into your most crowded panels. The Multi 2 MB0 also features an illuminated onboard display for displaying status and for making some basic selections in the field. Now, to program this controller, you're going to need a way to connect it to your computer, and for that reason, we've included a USB cable in this kit. For program storage, the Multi 2 features a removable chip card. The removable chip card provides a convenient storage mechanism that will permit the transfer of the program from one unit to the next. We have included a 32 kilobyte chip card in this kit to help get you up and running. The last step is the configurator. This software is downloadable from our website, and you will require a license to get it going. Fortunately, we've also included a license in this kit to help you get started right away. Take note as well that Pilz does not charge an annual subscription fee for this license, so once you have it applied, you're ready to go. Finally, since this kit is all about making your life easier, we're including free assembly and configuration training to help you get started on the Multi 2 as quickly and as painlessly as possible. Thanks for watching. We look forward to helping you maximize your machine safety with our Pilz Safe automation solutions.